Welcome back. Today we're diving into the SIVUATEK V7B 140B 14kW electric tankless water heater, a compact yet powerful solution designed to deliver endless hot water for your whole house. Design and installation. The V7B 140B stands out with its sleek, shoebox-sized design. This compact build makes installation simple, even in tight spaces. With standard half-inch NPT plumbing connections, most homeowners with basic DIY skills can set it up with ease. Place it just a few feet from your shower or washing machine, and you'll enjoy instant hot water at 110 degrees Fahrenheit within seconds. Performance and efficiency. Powered by a robust 14kW heating system, this unit delivers luxury, endless hot water on demand. What makes it smarter is its self-modulating technology. The heater automatically adjusts power input based on flow rate and temperature settings in real time. That means consistent water temperature even when multiple taps are running. With an impressive 98% energy efficiency, it saves you money while keeping performance top-notch. User experience. Convenience is key here. The digital display and touch control panel make setting your desired temperature effortless. The intuitive screen provides real-time updates on the heater status, so there's no guesswork involved. Simply turn on the faucet, and the system delivers reliable hot water instantly. Safety and durability. Safety is built in. The V7B 140B includes multiple protection features, such as leakage protection, overheating protection, and auto-stop functions. Each unit undergoes strict testing, is ETL listed, and qualifies for UL standards. This makes it suitable not only for households, but also for schools, hospitals, offices, and even bars. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and reliable tankless water heater, the SIVUATEK 14kW V7B 140B is a strong contender. It combines modern design, smart technology, and safety features to deliver comfort and peace of mind. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment for more details and current pricing. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone looking for a reliable water heating solution.